Google's first smart display, known as the Google Home Hub, essentially adds a screen to the Google Home, but it's a little bit more compelling than it first seems. Hey there, Damien here for 9to5Google with a super quick hands-on with the Google Home Hub. Designed to literally add a display output to the Google Assistant, the Home Hub, at least in my opinion, is the best looking smart display on the market. It's diminutive in size but big on looks and design, whilst it also boasts some extra features that you won't find on the JBL LinkView and the Lenovo Smart Display just yet. Hardware wise, it's a little 7-inch touch display with a fabric speaker round back. There is no camera on the front of the display, so that means no video calling, whilst round back you'll find a volume rocker and a switch for turning off the microphone. It's all pretty simple and minimalist, and I like the entire design itself. There's also 4 colour options to choose from: an aqua, pink, black and white variant. All look good in their own right and would look good in almost any home setting. In terms of controls, the touchscreen does just about anything you can do with your voice via Google Assistant. You can control your thermostat, get in-depth weather information, get recipes with follow-along instructions, watch YouTube videos, and the best portion of it all is the Home View, a dashboard that gives quick controls for all of your connected devices in the house. I personally really like this addition as it potentially gets rid of the need to delve into many third-party apps, such as my Light apps, that I already have connected to my Google Home account. In defense of the lack of camera, it might be off-putting to some, but with privacy concerns surrounding some home automation and control devices likely being a key talking point in 2019 and beyond, it's arguably a good thing that the camera wasn't included. I would have to say that I think the pricing of the Home Hub really does knock the full-size Google Home into touch, as this costs just $30 more. So that's all we've got for this ultra quick hands-on and overview of this latest smart display. We'd absolutely love to know your thoughts on the Google Home Hub. Are you planning on purchasing this device, or is not having a camera for video calling a little bit of a stupid idea? Let us know in the comments section below. Remember to subscribe to see the full review before anybody else and for exclusively Google and Android related news. Anyway, this is Damien for 9to5Google saying thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you later.